United States and India released a joint statement, Prosperity Through Partnership. India-Portugal signed 11 agreements during PM Modi's visit. World Heritage coral reefs likely to disappear by 2100 unless CO2 emissions drastically reduce, UNESCO. Manushi Chillar, crowned Femina Miss India World 2017. China's fastest bullet train makes its debut run. Kidambi Srikanth wins 2017 Australian Open. Union government constitutes K. Kasturirangan Committee to prepare national education policy. Dhanraj Pillai to get East Bengal Football Club's highest honour. United States and India released a joint statement, Prosperity Through Partnership. The joint statement titled United States and India, Prosperity Through Partnership was released by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Donald J. Trump. The joint statement focuses on peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region, terrorism, defense and security and trade among others. The joint statement was released during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the United States from 25th to the 26th June 2017. India-Portugal signed 11 agreements during PM Modi's visit. India-Portugal signed 11 agreements or MOUs ranging from science and technology, education, anti-terrorism, double taxation, climate, among others. In addition, the two nations also announced a €4 million joint fund to bolster research in science and technology. These agreements were signed during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Portugal on 24 June 2017. Modi is the first Indian Prime Minister in Portugal on a bilateral visit. World Heritage coral reefs likely to disappear by 2100 unless CO2 emissions drastically reduce, UNESCO. UNESCO's World Heritage Center released first global scientific assessment of climate change impacts on World Heritage coral reefs. The assessment was developed with satellite data from United States National Ocean and Atmospheric Administration's Coral Reef Watch. The assessment looked at the frequency with which World Heritage reefs have been subjected to stress. Manushi Chillar crowned Femina Miss India World 2017. Manushi Chillar was crowned by the outgoing Miss India Priyadarshini Chatterjee. The first runner-up of the contest is Sana Dua from Jammu and Kashmir. The second runner-up is Priyanka Kumari from Bihar. China's fastest bullet train makes its debut run. China launched its first self-developed next-generation bullet train, Fuxing, with a maximum speed of 400 km per hour on 26 June 2017. The train was launched on one of the country's busiest lines, Beijing-Shanghai line. The train includes a sophisticated monitoring system that will constantly check its performance and automatically slow it down in case of an emergency. Kidambi Srikanth wins 2017 Australian Open. Kidambi Srikanth defeated Olympic champion Chen Long 22-20, 21-16 to clinch the Sydney crown. The women's single title was won by Japan's Nozomi Okuhara, who beat Spain's Carolina Marin, also an Olympic champion, in 2 straight games. Srikanth previously clinched the Indonesia Open men's single trophy with a straight game victory over Japanese qualifier Kazumasa Sakai. Union government constitutes K. Kasturirangan Committee to prepare national education policy. The committee will prepare national education policy under the chairmanship of K. Kasturirangan. The panel includes former IAS officer K.J. Alphonse Kanamtanam. Another member of panel is Ram Shankar Kuril, who has wide experience in agricultural sciences. Dhanraj Pillai to get East Bengal Football Club's highest honour. Dhanraj Pillai will be conferred with East Bengal's football club's highest honour, Bharat Gaurav. Currently, Pillai serves as the manager of the Indian national hockey team. He is also a member of the ad hoc committee of the Indian Hockey Federation.